In the dynamic world of industry, hazards lurk around every corner, and mistakes can be costly. Traditional training methods? Often ineffective. Complex procedures can be hard to grasp, leading to uncertainty, and in the worst cases, accidents. Welcome to Hard Hat VR, where training meets reality. Experience real-life scenarios without the real-life risks. Master the procedures in an environment that's safe and hands-on. Operate machinery, navigate challenges, even hone soft skills, preparing for the unpredictable. Our extensive library ensures comprehensive training from the warehouse floor to the office space. Empower your team with the confidence and competence Hard Hat VR provides. For every challenge, we offer a solution. Hard Hat VR, training reimagined.